Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my class. Today we are dealing with the numerical portion of the chapter 2 Motion in One Dimension, class 9th ICSE portions. Textbook name is ICSE Physics Candidate Evergreen published. Okay. So chapter 2 numerical portions. Chapter name is Motion in One Dimension. Question number 1. In 1985 said, Honda sets the world record for the 1500 meter race in a time of 3 minutes 29.46 seconds. What was his average speed? So the question is 1985 the athlete record, the world record in 1500 meter race. Time is already given. What is the average speed of that athlete? We already studied in the speed equation, speed equal to distance divided by time. Distance is already given 1500 meter. Meter is the SI unit of speed. Time, next one is time. Time is already given 3 minutes 29.46 seconds. So 3 minutes 29.46 seconds. Minute is not a SI unit, second is an SI unit. So I want to convert this minute into second. 3 into 60, that much of minute, plus this also. So 3 into 60 plus 29.46. Total time is 209.46 seconds. Then we have to find out speed. What is speed? Distance by time. Distance is 1500. Time is here. Distance unit is meter. Time as a unit is second. After the simplification, you should get the answer 7.161 meter per second. This meter per second is the unit of speed. Meter per second is also written meter second inverse. Okay, this is our first question and its explanation. Question number 2. Question number 2. A car is traveling at a constant speed of 27 meter per second. The driver looks away from the road for 2 seconds to tune in the radio station on the radio. How far does the car go during the time? So speed is given, time is given. We want to find out distance. So our expression speed equal to distance by time. Speed is given 27 meter per second. This meter per second is the SI unit of speed. Distance we want to find out, time is 2 seconds. So distance equal to speed into time. That means 27 into 2. 54 meter is the answer. I am writing in here, distance SI unit is meter. Time SI unit is second and speed SI unit is meter per second. Question number 3. If a sports car can go from rest to 27 meter per second in 9 seconds, what is the magnitude of its average acceleration? So the car is starting from rest. That means initial velocity u equal to 0 and the car is attained 27 meter per second. That means final velocity 27 meter per second. Time is given 9 seconds. Meter per second, the velocity is SI unit and second is SI unit of time. Question is find the average acceleration. The expression of acceleration A equal to V minus U by T. A means acceleration, V means final velocity, U initial velocity, T time. So 27 is UV, 27 minus U value 0 and time value 9. 27 minus 0 by 9 answer is 3 meter per second square. Maybe you can to know unit of velocity meter per second. So either meter per second. Time unit is second. So meter per second per second. So meter per second into second. That is the unit is meter per second square. This is SI unit of acceleration. Meter per second square. Next, question number 4. A cheetah, the fastest of all land animals over a short distance, accelerates from rest to 26 meter per second. Assuming that the acceleration is constant, find the average speed of the cheetah. So, starting with rest, that means initial velocity 0 and final velocity 26 meter per second. We should find out average acceleration. So average acceleration expression A equal to V minus U by T. maybe we want to find out average acceleration, time is put it into 2. So initial velocity 0, final velocity 26. So A equal to 26 minus 0 divided by 2. After the simplification, 13 is the answer. Unit is meter per second square. This is the unit of acceleration because the velocity unit is meter per second, time unit is second. So meter per second into second, meter per second square. Question number 5. A seeker starts from rest, accelerates down a slope at 1.6 meter per second square. How far has he gone in the end of 5 seconds? So the question is starting from rest. So initial velocity 0. Accelerate down, that means it is not a acceleration, it is a retardation. The acceleration in the opposite direction, that is retardation. So A equal to 1.6 meter per second square, it is a retarded. Time is given 5 seconds. So A equal to V minus U by T. So A equal to V minus 0 divided by 5, time is 5. So acceleration is already given 1.6 equal to V minus 0 divided by time 5. So you should get the answer V equal to 1.6 into 5. After the multiplication, 80 is the answer. Acceleration, velocity. So velocity unit is meter per second square. I repeat once more. This will be starting from rest. So U equal to 0. Acceleration is retarded. So 1.6 meter per second square. Time is 5 seconds. And A equal to equation of A, V minus U by T. So V minus 0 divided by 5. A value is 1.6. V value we want to find out. U value 0. Time value 5. After the simplification, velocity equal to 80 meter per second. This is also negative because it is a retarded condition. So 5 questions are clear. Thank you.